Hello everybody and welcome to the last video in this SpaceRunner development tutorial. The job that has to be done is to create a collision logic. We will simplify it a little bit because we will consider every image as a circle. Our ship will be circle, star will be circle, and of course meteors will be circles. So first let's define every radius. Ship radius will be 27. And meteor radius will be 20. Now let's create a helper method which will calculate the distance between 2 points. That's the equation for this. Let's create a method which will subtract players' life points and alternatively finish the game. If a player's life will be less than 0, we want to close our game stage. We want to stop our game timer. And we want to show our mini stage. Now, the collision logic method. First, star collision. After hitting the star, we want to relocate it and add 1 player point. Of course, we want to show it on our points label. Now meteors. After hitting 1, we want to remove player's life and relocate the meteor. Of course, we do the same for gray meteors. Let's call this method and check if everything works. Let's choose red ship. Yes, we are losing health, we are getting points. Now let's try to die. Yep, we've got it. Thank you to all who have come with me to this place. Please write a comment and tell me what do you think about this tutorial and what would you like to see the next. I am ready for new challenges and I cannot wait to record something new. See you later.